For Sunday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning, then partly sunny in the afternoon. Mild. Highs in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 30%. For Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers.
Weather radio warning
Lows in the lower 40s.
97 listening
For Monday,
Central
cloudy
of Ohio.
A chance of
During
showers in the
potentially
morning,
dangerous
no
weather
showers likely in the
situations,
afternoon.
specially built receivers are
Mild.
automatically activated
Highs
to
in the
warn of
lower
the impending
60s.
hazard.
Chance of rain
Tests of these
70%.
receivers are normally
For Monday
conducted by
night,
the National
showers.
Weather Service every Wednesday
Lows
between
between
11
40s.
a.m. and noon.
Chance of rain
When there is a
90%.
threat of or
And
existing
for
severe
Tuesday,
weather in
showers
the area,
likely.
the test will be postponed until the following day.
Highs in the lower 60s.
This ends the test of
Chance of
National
rain
Weather Service
70%.
weather radio warning alarm.
Here is the river report. Rises are forecast on area rivers and streams over the next 48 hours. At 11 a.m. at New Philadelphia, it was mostly sunny. Temperature 48, dew point 38, relative humidity 68%. Wind west at 10 miles an hour. Pressure 30.01 inches rising. Weather conditions across Ohio. Columbus mostly sunny 47 degrees. Akron partly sunny 43.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KTO 94 listening area of northeast Ohio.
Winds gusting to 20
During
degrees.
potentially
Land
dangerous
mostly
weather
sunny
situations,
47.
specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
37.
Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
West Virginia.
When there is a threat of
mostly
or
sunny
existing
50
severe
degrees.
weather
Wheeling
in
and
the
partly
area,
sunny
the
50
test will be postponed until the following day.
55. In
This
Charleston,
ends the
cloudy
test of the
54.
weather radio warning
In
alarm.
Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh partly sunny and 57 degrees. Winds gusting to 17. Beaver Falls cloudy 50%. For Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 40s. For Monday, considerable cloudiness. A chance of showers in the morning. No showers likely. Or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m. Covington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIH 42 Covington, Kentucky, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special bill receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the